Thursday, May 4th, 12:35 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. Yeah, gold mining stocks. Each candle represents a week. So since today's Thursday, that would mean the current candle's not done yet. Yep, we're going to look at a 3-year duration. This is 3 years worth of data. I've been having a lot of alerts go off that I set a long time ago on many gold stocks. A lot of them have been going off, so it's important that I recap myself, update my watch list. Yeah, I haven't done this for a long time on many of these gold stocks, so let's see where the winners or losers are, because I'm considering to be buying. Here's one, Alpha Uniform. For you civilians, that's AAU, but I'm going to say it phonetically. It's trending down, new low for the year, loser. Well, let's right off the bat help you out. Looking here at gold futures. Yep, the gold futures contract on the weekly. Look at that, new high for the year. Leadership, new high for the year. Also took out the high of last year. Here. Do another thing here. I'll put up the monthly. There we go. Monthly. That took off like a rocket ship. So again, we want to look for gold mining stocks doing equal or better than what the gold futures are doing. Next, Alpha Echo Mike. Nice, new high for the year. Let's add this out for 3 years. There we go. That looks good. I like it. Already broke out of this consolidation. That was consolidation. New high for the year. That's leadership. Alpha Goff trending down. It's failure. Yeah, not doing good. Loser. Alpha Goff India, new high for the year. Very nice. Let's put this out for 3 years. Oh, very nice. Alpha Uniform, new high for the year. Let's extend it out for 3 years. Oh, wonderful. Look at that. Took out the high of last year. Took out the high 2 years ago. Nice. Alpha Uniform Yankee. It's trending up. Let's look at it. Well, it needs to give me confidence. It's struggling there. Look at the past 3 years, but I do like this. So you have that big candle up, impulse move up, which broke above this consolidation. Yeah, broke above that consolidation here. When it broke above that, made that big wick, you're looking for a retest, and that's what that did. It did a retest. And many buyers came and defended it. And then this week, made a higher high. Again, there's selling activity going here. Might have distribution here. No potential target on the other side. But it is showing signs of strength. But again, we already found out ones that are better than that. Excuse me. Bravo Tango Golf. Look at that. Let's extend that out. Wow, it's struggling. Yeah, we've seen several that took out the highs for several years. This has not. No, it's not leadership. But I like this potential trade idea here. Yep. That trend retracement break above here. You might have a bunch of new buyers. So the trade idea might be targeting from here to up there. Short-term swing trade. Yep. Remove this. It's outdated. It's been a long time since I did these. Bravo, Victor November. Oh, it's not looking good. New low for the year. Ooh, struggling. What? Look at that. That was acceleration. That was a zone. Be interested if it comes back down here. I'm going to set alert. If it comes back down there, that's what I'm going to look at. Extend this out a little bit more. I mean, look, it already took out that swing low. So that swing low got taken out here. Went up. Took out that swing low. Yep. So sit on my hands, wait. It tests this. I'll look at the chart again and see what I want to do. And dang, look at this. You know, it's all selling pressure up here. All distribution. Gets up there, sellers step in. So why would you want to be buying until it's proven itself? what it's done is showed up here. Sellers keep unloading it and keeps making lower lows. Failure hasn't proven otherwise. Charlie Delta Echo. No, that's not looking good neither. Let's zoom out. Yeah, look at that. Way below, not leadership. On to the next. Oops. There we go. Delta Bravo Papa. Ooh, new high for the year. Zoom out. Look at that. Finally took that out. Which is interesting. That midpoint of that big candle. Still got all this up here. It's looking good. So that midpoint right there went up, tested it, did a bearish pin bar, rejected it, trended down as expected. Now we're doing that retest of this bearish pin bar. Use caution. Yeah, use caution. Because often these like to get retested. And the second time is failure. Let's cue in some volume here. Sometimes volume also gives you some signals. Let's see what's going on here. So you have this high here. That volume was 189,000. Well, it's light volume, real light. Yeah, it's a, yeah, right there. 189,000. We're low, 16,000. Real low on liquidity. This high, 259,000. Interesting. Wow. So this red candle, which was a sell-off period, 45,000. And this red candle here got tested here, 259,000. So more buyers came up into the here, or you could say more sellers, because again, this high was not taken out close here, 259,000. Now this candle did take out that high. This candle, again, it's not done for the week yet, but it took out on light volume. So again, I would not feel confident here. Because again, you had here, sell-off. You had a retest here with huge volume, but that retest, again, turned out to be a bearish pin bar. And now this bearish pin bar is being retested here on an even lighter volume. So it seems like weak hands are unloading it, and people that are buying it might get burned. It's not leadership. You know what? I'm going to mark this 550 or 55 bucks. There we go, 55. Just to have an alert when it goes off. See what it looks like. And let's go put an alert down here, $50. So if something occurs sooner than later, at least I could look at the chart to see how it plays out. Yeah. Echo Golf Oscar, new high for the year. That took out all those swing points. So we move that. So it hasn't closed here for the weekend. It's not done yet. Nice. Nice run up. A lot of green, a lot of buying on this one. Echo X-ray Kilo. All right, that's yeah. It's like a lot of retests. You can see several charts look similar to like this. So they're not the strongest hands because we already saw ones took out the high of last year's, took out the high prior years. Those are leadership. These are very suspicious. If they could be pump and dump. Foxtrot, Charlie X-ray, traded this off in past years. Let's zoom out. Look at that new low for the year. Loser. Oh, it's struggling. Test that midpoint, which you like to see a trade idea. And for whatever reason, I did not look at that chart when I got tested. That would have been a nice bearish trade, trading short. Oof, shame on me. Yeah, that would have been a nice short. Leave that there to remind me. Shameful. Yeah, but huge panic selling has been occurring here. Yeah, well, let's look at this. A little further education here. So you had this high here, 67 million, which was distribution because you had this big impulse move over. Sorry, big impulse move down. You had this acceleration, retesting that, which was giving you signs of distribution of those candles. Inside candle, break below it. Oof, nice trigger to gone short right there because that was the low of acceleration. It's gone short there. Had a huge red candle, body, 49,000. Green candle, and this red candle. So that red candle, 49,000 shares. This red candle, 64,000, massive selling. Let's see here. 71,000 massive selling. 43,000, yep. It's not looking good. Foxtrot November Victor, new high for the year. Yeah, there's better ones than that. Let's continue on, look at more. So many gold stocks to select from. Oops. On to the next. Delta X-ray. This is